free movie apps for iPhone and Apple devices. These may also be found on Android, for which you can cross-check that. FilmRise on Apple App Store. FilmRise is a streaming app available on the Apple App Store that offers a wide variety of movies and TV shows for free. It features a diverse range of content, including documentaries, independent films, cult classics, and more. With FilmRise, you can enjoy unlimited streaming without any subscription. You can get FilmRise on Android when you visit Google Play Store. If FilmRise is not available in your country of residence, do not worry much. You would get the app on other websites like SoftSonic, APK Pure, and among others.
2. Pluto TV. Pluto TV is a streaming platform that offers a mix of live TV channels and on-demand content. It provides access to a wide range of channels, including news, sports, entertainment, and more. Pluto TV is free to use and offers a unique streaming experience with its channel-based approach. 3. Popcornflix on Apple App Store. Popcornflix is a free streaming app that offers a large collection of movies and TV shows. It features content from various genres like action, comedy, drama, horror, and more. Popcornflix is known for offering a straightforward and user-friendly streaming experience without any subscription costs. 4. Plex Stream TV. Plex Stream TV is a streaming platform that primarily focuses on organizing and streaming personal media collections, including movies, TV shows, photos, and music. With Plex, users can create their own media server and access their content from multiple devices, including Apple TV. 5. Crackle TV on Apple App Store. Crackle TV is a free streaming service available on the Apple App Store. It offers a wide range of TV shows and movies from various genres. With Crackle TV, you can enjoy popular titles and exclusive original content. You can explore different categories, create personalized watch lists, and even watch content offline. Vudu Movies and TV. Vudu Movies and TV is an app available on the Apple App Store that allows you to rent, purchase, and stream movies and TV shows. It offers a vast library of content, including the latest releases and classic titles. Vudu also provides options for 4K streaming and supports multiple devices for a seamless viewing experience. Movies Anywhere TV. Movies Anywhere TV is another app you can find on the Apple App Store. It is a digital movie library that allows you to access and watch your purchased movies from different platforms such as Apple, Google Play, Amazon, and Vudu. With Movies Anywhere, you can sync your movie collection across various devices, stream content, and discover new releases. Flix TV on Apple App Store. Flix TV is an app available on the Apple App Store that offers a variety of movies and TV shows for streaming. It provides a user-friendly interface where you can browse through different genres, create playlists, and discover new content. Flix TV also allows you to download movies and shows to watch offline.
Remember, it's always a good idea to check the user reviews and ratings on the Apple App Store before downloading any app to ensure it meets your specific preferences and requirements. That's tools and tips for Life Channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.